Hello, everyone. Today, I'm diving into something truly mind-blowing. The latest from OpenAI, the GPT-4o update. This isn't just any tech update, it's a life-saving revolution in artificial intelligence. Let's get into how this cutting-edge AI is reshaping our world, especially in healthcare and beyond. First off, GPT-4o is a powerhouse in medical advancements. Imagine a world where doctors can diagnose diseases with unmatched accuracy, all thanks to AI. That's right. By processing vast amounts of medical data, GPT-4o assists doctors in pinpointing diseases and crafting personalized treatment plans quicker than ever. In emergency scenarios, this AI provides real-time data that can save lives on the spot. And it doesn't stop there. GPT-4o's predictive analytics are a game changer for public health, helping prevent outbreaks before they even start. Now, let's talk numbers. Currently, a significant portion of the US population is aging. With innovations like GPT-4o, life expectancy is projected to soar. By 2050, it might hit 85 years. This tech isn't just improving lifespans, it's enhancing the quality of life. But GPT-4o's magic extends beyond healthcare. It's revolutionizing education by offering personalized learning experiences and aiding diverse research fields. In the corporate sphere, it streamlines operations and boosts customer engagement with its deep understanding of human language. This AI isn't just a tool. It's becoming an integral part of countless sectors, pushing the very boundaries of what AI can achieve. Looking ahead, the prospects for GPT-4o are nothing short of exhilarating. As this AI continues to evolve, its integration into daily tech will become more seamless, setting the stage for even more remarkable innovations. This update is a clear signal of the rapid advancements in AI, highlighting the immense potential of machine learning to significantly improve our lives. So what do you think? Is GPT-4o the future of technology as we know it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on how AI is transforming our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.